It is the final mating call. Final mating call. Lolly. Oh, meow. Son of a whore.
Alright guys, well, so after that last video, we received some really good news, and that is that we are closing on our house. So long story short, we loaded up the house, made the move to this brand new house, which I'll show you guys, well, the best part, which is the garage. Now, this garage is a 4.5 car garage, loaded with a wood-burning stove that is freaking awesome. It's all sealed up already, ready to be drowned in some oil. So, yeah. The unfortunate news is that during this move, well, look at. So a strap broke as we were cherry picking it. Good old engine to trans mount broke. That one, as well as this one. Awesome. Yep. Am I fucked or am I fucked? Those are just the cards we're dealt sometimes. But, you know, we gotta roll with the punches. Luckily, same day, I reached out to a buddy, and, well, he located an engine. Thing is, it's in Canada, and I don't got my enhanced license. So, that is unfortunate. But fortunately, my buddy does. So I sent him across the border to receive... Drum roll, please. The 3.0. Oh, yeah. It's from a 2003 330 Ci. Ooh, that 3.0 goodness. So, that is freaking awesome. $500. And it's got 83,000 kilometers. So, do the math. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get that bad boy put in. I'm going to skip all the hoopla and just straight to dropping the engine in, and we are going to take off from there. The day has finally come.
Gang, gang.
He said gang, gang. Driveway looking like Fast and the Furious and shit. What? Ooh. There we go, baby. She's in, baby. Uh-huh.